So today we're going to talk about children, what we need to know as we're preparing our 2012 forms here if we have kiddos. So let's begin at the beginning. If you had a child in 2012 and it's your first child, what can you look forward to in terms of taxes?
You get the child exemption.
Okay.
Or it's an exemption for anybody, and
All
it's
right.
$3,800 this year for your exemption.
So if you've increased one person in your household, you're going to get that $3,800 exemption, right?
Off of your adjusted gross income. So
Okay.
it comes off of your income.
Okay. And if you have kiddos, for every person in the house, then you should be getting that.
Yes.
All right. Now, what about any tax credits for little ones? Depending on your income level, does that vary?
It does, but the main credits that we're looking at is your child tax credit, which is $1,000.
Okay. And who does that apply to?
That applies to anybody that has children under the age of 17. So
Okay.
if they turn 17 in December, I'm sorry, but they don't qualify.
And is that related to income at all?
Some of it does, but most of the time you're looking at everybody will get it as long as their child is under 17.
Okay, all right. So for folks who are dealing with kids for the first time, look forward to this, and folks who have children. Now, what about as those children get older, what other tax benefits can we look for?
To other tax benefits is you have daycare
Okay.
for any child under 13. Okay, you can get up to at least 20% of whatever you pay for that child care. You always want to make sure that you get the child care where you take your children, the address, the name of the provider, and their social security number.
And some sort of statement, they should issue you a
Yes.
statement as to what you've paid for that year, right?
They will, yes.
Okay, and then you can bring that to your tax professional, get help with that. What about college? What if you have college-age kids?
College students will this year will get a 1098-T. They've always gotten before, but this time you have to have documentation in order to take that credit. Some of
Okay.
it is refundable, some of it is not.
Okay, so bear that in mind if you're trying to prepare your own taxes, you can look for those things, but it's really best to have a professional look through these things because
Please.
you were telling me there's some pitfalls, particularly if you have shared custody of a child. Explain a little bit of that.
If both of you do not live in the same household and you still have
Okay.
one child, you want to make sure that you count whoever has the most nights with the custody of the child, because this year the IRS is enforcing that you do not get to take whatever it says on the divorce decree. It's whoever has custody.
So whoever physically had the child with them the most nights.
It gets the
so
child.
both parents cannot claim the child.
No.
Okay, and that's important because
It
you said the
is.
IRS will follow up on that.
Right.
Okay, so know that. And then also you were telling me, Kathy, that there's some things that are sort of backlogged at the IRS itself right now. So if folks want to be filing, you can't actually do it right now, right?
No, even if you mail in your tax returns, there are no forms quite ready yet. They're still
Okay.
producing the forms. All the softwares are a little behind trying to make the forms applicable to everybody. They will not open for business until the 30th at noon, and so we're waiting patiently. You can come in and get your stuff started, but we cannot print anything until at least the 25th, they're thinking.
Okay.
But opening day is not till the 30th.
Okay, well, thanks for those tips. Make sure you consult your tax professional
Please.
to get help, especially to know how to handle those child credits and things. Thank you.
Call today for your free tax strategy consultation or visit me online for more information.